Good morning everyone. It's a 2020. Yeah, it's the 22nd of February, and we're doing a live stream again. Welcome everyone. So start it. Let's see what today can bring us. Open the Zoom for everyone. Everyone can look at us. Good morning everyone in the Zoom.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's see. Good morning, British. I heard some people were in cells. I'm right here.
Yeah, I already sold at 14 and closed next to the round number. 10.
I'm looking for cells below
97.
Like, yeah. 80.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's right, British. Let's see. Monday morning again, have to wake up slowly. Yes, this stream is live. Good. Put some music on real quick soon. Give me 1 second. Yes, I'm back again. Yeah, that 4-hour close bearish. I don't know about the zones to the left, but let's see. Do have some levels here. That's too far away still. Mm. Yeah, if I'm looking for sales, I'm looking towards this level. That's a support right here. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys above 270, expecting it to break on for the levels up. Let's see. Slowly, people are coming in, so I can start. See what the news is going to bring us this week. Tomorrow we have some news. Right, climate change. Unemployment rate.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning. How are you, man?
Oh, pretty good.
Nice,
Pretty
nice.
excited.
Yeah? What?
Well, excited for the week to come.
Oh, yeah.
For today as well. The charts are looking very good.
Yeah, you're in sales, right?
Yeah, I'm already in a sell from the 4-hour close.
From 100. No.
Yeah, more or less.
Did you already take profit?
No.
No, you just missed by 1 pip, right? Or,
On
or,
the
or didn't
no
you
no
want to close?
no, I'm not looking to take profit at 10 pips.
Oh,
I'm really
okay.
looking to
Get a swing.
so yeah, more of a a session swing trade. I'm really looking to get that for the basically for the daily to just flip bearish. That's what I want to
But
see.
you're on a smaller lot then.
Yeah. I'm
Full margin.
I, I'm
Monday morning.
one third risk.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, my stop loss is 20 pips.
That's not even that bad.
No, indeed. And I've seen this pattern happen like so many times. It only happens on Mondays at market open because then basically you have the Asia session
Yeah.
pushes up and creates either a really big bullish 4-hour, and then the next one creates a small bearish 4-hour, and then London session with that volume pushes back down to where the market opened.
Yeah.
Unless it breaks the high, then it pushes up and continues, but the probability is to respect the high and then go down. And then
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah,
but
I'm looking to add more full positions if it breaks below 148.
Yeah, that's pretty smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking for a close like below 970, 146, 147, 970.
Mm-hmm.
Or between this zone, expecting volume to push further down. But that has to be in London open, or because Frankfurt open is not going to do it because 30 minutes going to close sort of doji like maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But I am looking, even though buys would look good above like 190, 200, up to like 390 as first target, and after that, I don't really know. But I'm more into looking for sells because of this clean traffic right here.
Yeah, that clean traffic is going to be mirrored so easily.
Yeah. That 1 hour, I want that 1 hour to close below like 145.
Mm-hmm.
This one. So it's rejecting a bit.
Yeah.
Also, if you look at the weekly, it hit an area where it's been there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Back in, where was that? 2019.
Yeah. Yeah, I looked at it as well. We're pretty much 390 is a 4-hour resistance. If you look with the 4-hour, you can see that this is small resistance right here, and here we have rejection. So if I was buying above, it would need to be with volume because this is pretty nasty. But then this would be my target. The cells just look cleaner for now. Who knows? We're pushing bearish since how long? Too long.
Way too long.
Yeah, but based on that monthly level, we're coming up to this level now. That's going to be crucial. So,
On the lower, looking at the monthly, we might see like a pullback to that previous
yeah,
resistance, like 144.
exactly. I was looking at that too. Full margin swing trade.
So let's see, candle closed.
Yeah. Did the 30-minute do? Oh, it closed bullish.
That's normal at this time.
Yeah. When it breaks 148.40, it should continue going further down. What screen do you see? Do you just see the chart? Or
Yeah, right now we only see the chart.
okay. Everyone in the Zoom, don't forget to watch the stream as well. And like the stream. Sent the link in the chat again.
Wait a minute, Manti is live as well.
Oh, really? It's in, like 3 weeks.
Yeah, he's live since 2 minutes ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I don't really see it as any competition because he trades in a different style anyways, so.
Yeah, he's very conservative. We're the Rajas.
We're the Cowboys.
Yeah, we're the Cowboys.
Good morning, Cowboys.
Good morning. How are you?
Pretty good. How was your weekend?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. Relaxing a bit, you know.
You also had the sun and stuff?
Yeah, man. It was like 19 degrees or something. How? What was it?
Yeah, great weather.
Pretty good.
So,
Yeah, man.
It's funny because like what, a week ago there was like snow and ice.
It was like negative 10 degrees or
Yeah,
something.
-10.
And now it's sun. Everyone is walking with some t-shirts on and you know.
so nice.
Yeah, it was really nice.
By the way, guys, do you have webcams?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
First
I
need to
have
go.
one, but we should use webcams.
Yeah, soon. But I first need to go to the hairdresser.
Yeah, me too, man.
I got my new webcam now. It's
Ooh,
like,
it's breaking a low.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, go ahead, Tim. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, I know. Wait, I really have to mark up the charts first.
Let me fix that Zoom chat because it's really over everything. Like that. Marcos is in gold buys. Someone's calling up some gold buys right here. Let's see. Oh, from where are you in, Marcos? 5 minute. Or break of the high or something. That's already a 20 pip move. Yeah. Yeah, I was about to say. Bro, look at this.
He's already up 2% on a Monday morning.
Yeah, man. This guy, this month, he's going to be up like 50%. Got into the break with that high. Insane.
Let's see if GJ is gonna close. So we have there's the, like this 15-minute support at like 148.300 030, but it needs to break below 0.965.
Yeah,
Get
I got
30-minute
that.
close below there.
Yep.
And then it's melting.
Melt, GJ. Hopefully we get a better week this week.
Yeah.
Very,
Today's gonna be pretty good.
yeah. Someone throwing in positions right there.
Oh no, that was me moving take profit.
Oh, okay.
You can hear that?
Yeah.
Oh. Then I can't move my fingers under the table.
We know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Big brother's watching you.
Tim,
Every other 5 minutes you hear poof, poof, poof.
Tim,
Yeah.
you print out your chart, right? And you,
Mm-hmm.
that's savage. Send us a picture soon.
Yeah, I will. Yesterday I had my whole wall hanging full of charts.
It's really cool though, to be honest. But
I
how
need-
do you do it? You just make a screenshot and then you print it out.
Yeah, I mark up the charts on Tradingview with all the notes.
Yeah.
And then I print out like M30, H1, H4.
Price pushing.
Then I'm collecting it for the week, and on the weekends I'm looking over my trades and
Yeah, that's really good, man.
Yeah.
That's because it's physical. You can put it in like a map and just
yeah.
that's good. I'm gonna do that because
I
I'm
also do
bad.
trading with my pen and stuff. I just like paper.
Just print your like best trades you've ever taken them and just hang them above your monitor.
Yeah.
Inspiration.
That's what I did as well.
Or hang them in front so you always see the best one, but you don't see the current one.
That's really nice.
If this trade works out, this is gonna go on the wall.
Yeah, hey, Tim,
Yes.
where's your girlfriend, man? And speaking of straight away, that's pretty good.
I don't have a girlfriend, man. I'm free as a bird now.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is looking very good. I should have just entered on that break of low because I knew it was gonna happen. But at the end of the day, we got a resistance, support right here, so it didn't make any sense to sell because the range is too small. If it doesn't break the range, you know.
Yeah, it will. Yeah, it would have been very aggressive because they're. Okay, yeah, because on the 15-minute, there's way too many rejections to really be taking an impulse entry.
Yeah. Yo, guys, on the Zoom, please go and like the stream. There are 20 people in the Zoom, so 11 people on the stream.
But this is why I entered on the 4-hour close
I'm
because
I'm
Oh, yeah.
sure Nick is already in with that impulsive entry.
Oh yeah, Nick took the impulse entry.
So I don't know if he's there yet.
But this is why I entered on the 4-hour close.
Yeah.
Is because from the other times,
Savage trade, man.
yeah, from the other times is that I know I wouldn't have had the balls to enter inside this range like once it broke the low or something, and then this
Yeah.
happens and I kind of like missed the move. So I'm up 16 pips right now. Probably gonna close at 20 pip. No, I'm gonna close 50% right now, and put this
Bro.
at break even, and then take profit is at 147.700.
This looking good. I just want this 15 to close right here, 30-minute to close right here.
Mhm. Yeah. I'm gonna
Finally
go
getting
get
our,
a coffee.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, sure. Got me one too.
Finally getting our big short.
Yeah. Yo, it's pushing. That's insane. Why? Why does it start pushing like that? Oh, it broke the 4-hour low.
Yeah, I thought about taking it because if you look to the left, the same happens 3-4 candles
Yeah.
before. But
Took it at 95 when I just closed half at 10 pips.
Yeah, you took some pips right there.
There's a resistance at I see a resistance at 85, 850. Yeah, around here, but it should go to at least I'm looking at
This guy closed.
176.30. That's a long way down though, but that's my runner.
Nice, man.
Up 12.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow I'm going to use my IC Markets account. I'm going to step off onto TzRzetHz. Yeah.
really,
Yeah, I got in at 90. What did I get in at? 96.7, 967.
Yeah.
But I only used half risk because I thought, it's probably going to bounce off there, and then I'll use a dynamic entry and add more, but it didn't. So
Yeah.
which was a shame.
Yeah, I'm going to personally wait for 30-minute to close below.
Yeah.
I don't really mind. If it pushes because they're gonna make a low anyways, and if we retrace, we're gonna retest that low. So, guys,
Yeah.
if you're not in, don't worry, please. Don't worry. Be happy.
yeah,
Well, that's my second trade for today.
Both winners.
Yeah.
You're a G.
I am doing pretty good. I'm not losing very. When I lose, it's only like a couple of pips. Like I'm really honing in on.
But that's pretty good,
breaking.
man.
I'm getting rid of my mistakes, which is really good. Which I think is, I think it's the key to winning.
100%. Learning from your mistakes and you know, if
Just
you implement the
eliminating.
fact that
Yeah.
you understand what you did wrong, then you're gonna win. You know.
Yeah.
And lose
Most
sometimes.
of most of the mistakes are usually these days. If I chase a trade, I go, oh no, I got to get in now, and
Yeah,
then
that's
I
that
realize,
fear.
oh no, forget it. I'm going to close that. That was a bad decision.
Yeah, that's that fear of missing out, and then you're gonna force the trade because you don't want to miss out.
Yeah, you got to be so careful with that.
That's why you don't have to have the fear of missing out right now. Even though it pushed like how much 20 pips. I even said if this is gonna break, it's gonna go down. But I'm not in because the reason I'm not in is because it's not my setup.
Yeah.
You know.
And even no guarantee that was going to break like that.
Yeah, and you know, no guarantee if it's gonna break this level right here as well. So even though it did, and it had a probability of doing so, doesn't mean you have to be in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I was just because the other thing I like to do now, because my setup is more. The other guy was talking about getting in on the 4-hour there. I can sort of I like getting in range rather than, so I got in at 14 at 140 147.
You had a really good entry.
Yeah, man, that's
because you can
crazy.
see that it's rolling over and it's broke that, you know, it broke the 148.
Did you get in on the 30
20.
minute?
Yeah, I got in on, yeah, around there.
6
Yes.
o'clock, yeah.
Yeah,
Bro,
and
you're
then
savage.
that, because like you can see that it's making a lower high.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. You see this
You can see
structure
that
right there.
Yeah, and you can see that. Just go, yeah, take your arrow to the highest candle. Yeah, that red candle. You can see like on a 1 hour or 30 minute.
Yeah,
If
left.
you look at the 1 hour,
Oh, yeah.
you can see that, you know, retracement
Yeah, man.
quite strong, and then it's just a matter of waiting for it to make a lower high, and then you can tell that it's going to drop from there.
Yeah. But do you use like 2% per trade or?
No, I try to use a fixed lot size.
Yeah.
But if I swing on, say, on a 4 hour, then I would use like a 1%, because
Yeah.
the stop's going to be bigger. Yeah.
But
I'm using, I'm trying to use one full lot, but not on a swing trade, because I would use 1%.
yeah, yeah,
Look at this
100%.
thing go.
Bro, price is pushing.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Bro.
See, my plan is to get my lot size up,
Yeah,
over time, so then I can just take 5 pips, and that's plenty for me.
yeah, 100%. If you use a
Imagine-
bigger stop, you know, you can really. I mean, if you use a bigger lot, you get a lot more quicker, and you're happier with smaller amounts. But the
Yeah,
thing is
that's
that
what
if you start closing that stuff at 5 pips the entire time, it's gonna get harder maybe soon after time as well.
Yeah, I was just
Confidence,
wondering
maybe.
about that. I mean, it would have to be a very accurate trade. It's going to close another half here. There you go.
Good man.
No, I just, because you just see how a bigger lot size allows you to, you know, it gives you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like something like this. I mean, if you got five to 10 pips really quickly, then I mean you're basically done for the day.
100%.
If you do that 3 out of 5 times, and
Yeah.
you manage your risk.
That's not. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's just about 50% win rate. And even though even if you win 2 of the 5 times, I'm already be winning if you manage
Yeah.
risk.
Yeah, just really be careful with your trading style. But that's
100%.
I'm a long way off that. So
It's gonna, bro, time. It's gonna just take time.
yeah, it
You
takes
gotta
time.
accept that it takes time. That's the
Yeah.
thing that people need to understand.
Yeah,
Trading is taking
We're
time. It's
we're
not a
not going to
joke.
get rich today.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe in 5 years, no, not 5 years, but
Yeah.
3, 4, 5 years, 100%. Then you're gonna go to the bigger levels, like 10 lots, 20 lots.
Yeah,
No.
well, I'm giving myself another. I reckon in a year, I'm going to give myself 12 months, not to get to 20. I'm not going to get to 20 lots, but you know, possibly up to about 5 lots.
Yeah. At the end of this year, I'm looking. At half of this year, I'm looking to be trading around like July, around that, June, July, around that. I'm looking to really be trading above that one lot. I'm a fixed lot at the moment at 0.60, and then I'm gonna be looking at the end of this year maybe on 2 lots, 3 lots.
Yeah, that's somewhere where I'd like to be, around there.
Yeah. I mean, even though you can trade higher lots, it doesn't mean that you have to, because it's not learning you. It's not giving you that confidence if you lose, because now you're building small steps, and if you're gonna have a big ladder with big steps, you're gonna fall a lot sooner and a lot harder. So
Yeah,
take
you
those little
can't,
steps.
yeah. If you can't handle the bigger lots mentally, like I can't handle it. I can handle it on demo. It's really easy. I can make 40 grand on a demo account in no time. But but it's amazing how easy it is when you remove the emotion. So it's it's virtually pointless trading on a demo because
that's why I don't do it. I don't trade demo. I don't trade. I don't simulate as well. I don't simulation trade. The reason I don't simulation trade is because I want to experience all the things in the current situation in real life with the same emotions over and over and over again. And if I'm gonna simulate, I'm gonna overhype my confidence and then lose and then be like, what, flabbergasted looking at the computer because he didn't work out the way it should have worked out on the simulator.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I don't simulate either because I can't. The other thing is the speed. It's so quick.
Yeah, it does make sense in your mind as well, the speed.
Yeah, and now we're like you're sitting and waiting now, or I'm in a trade and it's taking half an hour for this candle to close. It's literally taking half an hour rather than the simulator where it's just taking a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
And it gives you a false sense of patience.
Exactly.
Yeah, you lose that you need to build that patience where you can wait for a candle to close and
right.
Yeah. Which
that's
is a
true,
difficult thing, yeah.
I still think simulators are good just for monitoring structure.
Yeah, that's true. But really trading on it, I don't know yet.
No, even Uncle Ted said something like when people do simulator, it's not the same because they're not like really paying attention to what's going on. They're just saying, "Oh, let me take this trade, take that trade."
Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's 50% chance. And the thing is, people overtrade on the simulator as well. That's the thing.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, you have to treat it the same as you would a trade.
Yeah.
But the problem, like I would just go to the London session and do that, and then go to the next London session. But it's just the speed of it. It's and the fact that it's not real money. You can you do a 1% risk or 2% risk, and there's no emotion attached to it, and the emotional part of it is the most important part of it. Like doing the setups is pretty easy. The analysis is not difficult.
Exactly.
It's fairly straightforward. But it's when you all of a sudden put in 10 lots accidentally instead of one.
Yeah, I had that once when I was it was like a year ago or something. I was trading like point and cent lots, and accidentally threw in like a 1 point something lot, and I was looking at it, I was like, what's going on? And I was like, I was shitting my pants because I had a small account and I threw in a 1 lot. It was like 50% risk or something.
Yeah, all of a sudden the numbers move. Yeah, I've done it plenty of times. Put in the wrong lot.
But the thing is, for me personally, it's really weird because if I use bigger lots now, let's say I use 0.60 now, let's say I'm gonna start using a 1 lot. For some reason, I gain more confidence in myself and in the trade because I know I'm taking it serious. The problem with me was when I was trading that 0.10, 0.20, 0.25, I wasn't taking it serious.
Yeah.
So I need to trade bigger lots to take serious decisions and serious I just gain confidence because of it. And that's for some people it's the other way around because if they use more lots it's like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose money.
Yeah.
But for some reason
the other thing, if you take too small, like 0.01 or 0.02, I mean, I started doing that. It's easy to get frustrated too.
Yeah. You're gonna test a lot and everything. I had that once as well that I was testing the entire time. I was throwing in like 0.05 lots to test the markets. That's the worst thing you can do because most of the times those test lots work out and your normal lots don't.
Trust your analysis.
Yeah, I think you got to stick with the same size.
Yeah, constantly, 100%.
No matter what. and then that stops you from sort of going, oh well, this is an iffy trade, so I'll only put half risk. Like I prefer to just go ahead and either do dynamic risk or take the whole thing.
You guys don't do the magic keys calculator?
I do, but I got it on a fixed lot, so it doesn't calculate for me anyways.
Yeah, I only use the fixed lot.
I don't look at what my profit is and what my loss is. I don't care about that number. I just put in the slides and then just enter it because it's always the same for me.
Oh no, I just started using it again because I watched that the risk management thing Raja did today, and I was like, yeah, because I've been using the one-click trade, but I'm just gonna go back to the calculator, 1% risk.
Yeah, I just use the calculator, put them in. I never really look. Oh, even or if it's like a 20 pip stop, I'm looking at what I'm exactly losing. But other than that, I'm just put it in. Don't really look at the numbers.
Yeah, so you're doing you're talking about doing the calculator as input risk, like risking 1% or 2%.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that again because, like I said, before I was doing a one-click trading, but sometimes I realized I wouldn't put in a stop loss. I kind of like do a mental stop.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get away from that and like focus on
Full stop
1 to
loss.
2% risk. No, not even a stop loss, but just the risk part.
Yeah.
You mean the quick trade on the FN keys?
No, not even. From MetaTrader, like if you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, one-click trading.
But, yeah, right.
Trying to get away from that. Go back to doing it the proper way.
Yeah, I haven't updated my magic keys. I still got the original version. I tried updating it when it came out, and
I had that too.
I
had to do. I've got it fixed now because of Master P. He helped me, sort of.
Yeah, but I've got everything I want on it as it is. So
yeah, I think that. I mean, yeah, it's cool to have that little tracker thingy, but I think the original was better. It worked better with this indicator I have.
yeah, I kept my installation for the original. So once the new version didn't work properly for me, I dumped it and reloaded the old one.
Smart move.
Yeah, and it's if you've got a fixed lot or if you've got a percentage, that's all you really need, and your stop loss and
yeah, exactly. But that's true. I don't like the fact that the stop loss is so big. There's no way you can manage risk on this candle. So I don't think I'm getting in yet because it's like a 20. How much? At least like a.
I'd wait for the 15-minute to print some rejection.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna send a screenshot of what I want to see.
Close to calculator. Accidentally open again. Yeah, it was.
I'm using this indicator on Tradingview that marks the swing highs and lows for you, which I find pretty good.
What's it called?
It's just called Swing. It's under the public library in the indicators.
I got no idea where I need to go for that. I never use indicators.
It's under F up the top there. See the little F where it says indicators? Yeah. And if you go to public library, there it is down the list. And if you go to swing, just type in swing high, low, support and resistance.
This one?
The top one. Yeah. I think that's it. That's the one and that just gives you and you can change the color and dim them so they're not so bright, but I kind of like it.
So you said that's like your swing highs and lows?
Swing highs.
That's why you got it in that 40 level, because of this level maybe.
Yeah, actually I've got that one marked. Yeah, I was actually just looking at the lower high.
Hmm.
Oh, I know that indicator.
How do I need to
Yeah.
remove this?
If you want to delete it,
Yeah.
yeah. So run over it. No, get out of there, and no, stay out of there.
Okay.
If you want to delete it,
Double
it
click
should
it.
be up in your left-hand side on the screen.
Yeah, right there. No, lower. It says
Lower,
swing
lower,
5.5.
where it says swing. No, on the screen.
Right there, Luke.
Bro, I'm
On the chart.
stupid.
Look at the zoom.
Oh yeah.
The zoom.
Oh right here. Bro, I never used this, so I got no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at the chart I sent in the Zoom chat, that's what I would want to see right now is some 15-minute showing some rejection
Yeah.
wicks into the zone, and then
Yeah, just a retest.
yeah, a
But
retest.
if we get to 10 pip stop, I'm gonna get in probably anyways.
Like those right where I have the entry. You
Yeah.
see those 15 minutes before? I want to see those kind of wicks.
Okay.
Mm.
Should first need to make a top quick one.
Yeah, if anything, should start rejecting off that 970 area. Or actually, 30-minute close good. Maybe just keep
Yeah.
going.
Yeah, I want this to make a top wick and retest 970 to get in. Yeah, see what's gonna happen. Stops. Bug.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Marcos. You already made 5% today, didn't you? No, you had a good goal trade, right? Like 30 pips,
Yeah.
something, 20 pips.
I'm not looking for re-enter gold. I think
Oh,
the
your microphone. Your mic cut off.
Yeah.
yeah, I have problems with my Wi-Fi. One moment.
Okay. Yeah, give me that retrace on the way up to 970 and I'll get in. Expecting prices just start breaking down.
Pound dollar also gave a
Oh, that's
beautiful
not good.
confirmation here.
Yeah, 967 is going to stop me out at break even.
On pound dollar.
Pound yen.
Oh.
147.967.
Everyone that's on the stream, don't forget to like and subscribe. Everyone in the Zoom as well. 25 people in the Zoom and 12 people in the stream. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Hear me now correctly?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. I'm expecting all for buys to fill 4-hour week, but it's an empty section. T6 to 30 on gold. It's more clear in 1 hour time frame.
Yeah, if it closes above the current high, right?
Yeah, I'm expecting that. I made one trade on gold. I closed in 11 pips, but the rest of the trade was break even.
Yeah, because I was looking at gold this morning and when I was doing my analysis, and we hit monthly and weekly and daily support.
Yeah.
So makes sense. It makes sense
Wait,
that.
what? Look at Bitcoin. Holy damn.
Whoa, 56,000.
58,261.
Mm.
Crazy.
Yo, Tim, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Are you still in?
Oh, hey, what?
Like 20% of my position is still in. Yeah.
Watch for GJ. It's doing. It's touching the level you wanted to touch.
Yeah, I'm deciding. I don't know.
I'm going to get stopped out. And
I don't know, man. I don't understand Bitcoin. I
No.
can't trade.
I don't understand
One
it as
thing
well.
I don't understand.
You could trade the price action on it, but I wouldn't invest in it.
Yeah, but I don't understand what is behind Bitcoin and what is pushing it up and down. I don't understand the move.
oh well, there's a lot of institutions investing in it, and Tesla, and hedge funds, and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but for me the problem is a not regulate coin.
It's not regulated.
I want to
So-
get in, but I shouldn't.
I would say wait for like the at least the 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about as well. Because now the fight, yeah, this looking.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just got stopped out. That's it for me.
The thing is, I have seen this happen over and over and over again. That it retests
Yeah.
this level and then continue further down. So I want to execute it once, but
You could do dynamic entry. Take a sell here and just another one once you get better confirmation.
yeah, that's true.
I had a very poor entry on GBP. I catch the drop, but I catch at 9.20. I have 10 pips, but ultra risky trade for me.
Hey, if you did 920, then you got 10 pips already.
Yeah, I grabbed 10 pips, but I had a very poor position.
Oh, I mean, I wasn't much better. I got in at 911, so took 10 and went break even.
Ricardo, he has the best entry of this London session.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it. Amazing.
If this 15-minute closes weak, bullish, and then I don't know. We'll have to see.
I didn't get in. I was too.
Closes as a rejection and breaks the low. I'd get in for a second entry.
Yeah, that's what I want to see too.
Oh man, I was so deciding. And I was like, nah.
The problem on GBP with this drop was weak on 30-minute time frame. I think Invest sent it on a chart sent to the group. It was not for me a clear drop. I hope drops again in 50-minute time frame, makes resistance to test the low, continue to the very low of the structure.
Gonna turn around. Needs to turn around from where it's at right now.
Yeah.
Hey, look, you wanted to see my printed chart, right?
Yeah, I want to see.
Like, watch the. Can you see it?
Where did you send it?
I'm sharing my webcam video on Zoom.
Ooh, let's see.
Maybe it's a bit small, right?
Yeah, it's
No,
a bit
yeah.
small.
Like,
Pretty nice.
But yeah, that's pretty nice.
it's like, I have this daily trading checklist. With all the
Damn.
stuff on it.
Hey,
And
look,
then,
look.
yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
I
Pretty
don't think I recommend.
Look at my guy
Yeah.
flexing it.
Of course, man. so far we're getting the same scenario. Like this. When was it? Wednesday? Last Wednesday? Give me a second.
Let's see. This 15-minute looks like it's gonna close as a rejection pretty in 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, then you're gonna enter on the break of the low, basically.
Yeah, making it like a rejection to continue dropping. Stops above that same 15.
Yeah, I'd do that too because there's a super high probability that we're gonna flip the daily candle bearish.
Let's see. Let's see.
You enter the break of the actually 50-minute or
Yeah.
of the very low of the structure?
No, the current 15-minute.
Did you get in?
Okay.
First, it has to close weak
Mm.
bullish, I think, or even bearish.
Yeah.
I think we can have problems at 750. This is a resistance on 50-minute time frame. I think price should stop in this area, and then if have volume continue to 60-30.
Yeah. This 15 needs to start flipping as well. It's gonna be very nice.
For me, my idea on gold, if have another idea, if can comment with us, I think it could be
gold?
better. I think now 93 is a good. See, on gold, 93 is a very strong resistance. If breaks 95, I think price will continue to will continue to 96 and probably hit 99. In this area is an empty area to 813. It's an empty area of 130 pips. It's a little confusing, but for me it's...
If it's for you clear, that's perfect. For some people it will be clear as well because they trade purpley gold as well, so.
Yeah, so I think if this candle 15 closes how it closes and the next one breaks the low, then I think there's a good probability
Yeah.
that we can break below 800, fill the wick.
Yeah.
Why are you retracing like that, man? On GJ.
Yeah, but it's gotta close below like 0.900 for it to be a weak candle.
Yeah.
Or if this 30-minute even closes bullish and the next one breaks the low, that's even better.
Yeah, the previous 30-minute on GBP reacts to the wicks on left. I think your idea, if breaks the low of the previous 50-minute, can works nice to retest the very low of the structure.
Can you go to last Tuesday, 16th at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, one sec.
Yeah, sure.
Last Tuesday.
Like you can click this button. How can I annotate?
What date was that? 16th, right? What time?
10 o'clock. Yeah, like that. So, can I draw that? Okay.
Want me to zoom in?
It's okay like it is. So we basically had the same situation like this breakout. No?
Yeah.
Arrow would be better. How's Raja doing this? Yeah, like this, okay. So this breakout, then the pullback, which might be our candle now. Then we had this nice break and retest. And then this nice rejection jack into the range again. Closing back below, and then the drop. Was a pretty nice setup. Didn't take it, though, but could work out the same now. Get it, right?
Yep, I like.
Yep.
Looks like the 30 minutes gonna flip.
Already.
Oh shit.
Different.
I wasn't paying attention. You guys taking entries? I was
not yet.
Yeah. I am
Nick closes.
Normally on the middle of the week I enter another trade on GBP.
No way. No. You just didn't do that. No way. Okay, guys, I have to say I was in from 957. I didn't want anyone else to take this trade because it's pretty dangerous. This is my entry.
Okay, nice.
And it just hit by 9.8 pips.
And didn't trigger.
No.
Oh.
I can't. And it's pulling back
We
now.
have a cowboy on this group.
it hit. I'm in already for like how long? Since how long am I in already?
Did you enter when the candle closed but no wick?
No, I already was entered before.
Okay.
So I'm already in like 12 minutes or something, and it hit. Like I'm gonna close full position if I go above break even now, but I got in, and I already hit like 8 pips of that first pullback, and I was like, okay, pull all the way back, hanging around 1 pip the entire time, just like right now, and no, I should have just manually closed what I always do.
The exact same happened to me like 2 weeks ago.
Oh wow!
Like they did like 9.8 pips.
Oh fuck! It's not cutting out. Fuck you! Oh my god! MetaTrader sucks. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, I think I was done.
MetaTrader sucks, man. I hate MetaTrader. Wow, man. I hate, bro. I'm about to smash MetaTrader. I'm not even kidding you. About to delete it.
Get C-Trader, man. I'm a fanboy.
Yeah, now I end up in a negative 2 pip loss because my break even is not pushing itself out.
Oh.
Do my fucking. Yeah, bro. I don't have. I have a bad relationship with brokers, and I have a really bad relationship with MetaTrader.
Yeah, you know, I was reading this article on Forex Factory about MetaTrader and what it has to do with brokers. It was actually pretty interesting.
I see markets and
And
skip that
use
up
on
fix it.
look, you can use on Easy Market. C Trader works fine.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
I
Why
also-
is GJ like this? 9.8 pips.
Hey man, it's sad.
That's sad. And I always close manually if I see there's 9 pip plus. And I was like, nah, I have that confidence. I'll just wait for that partial take profit level. And there goes our profit.
Feels worse than a loss, right?
Yeah, a turnout in a loss. -2 pips because
Yeah, okay, but
fucking MetaTrader is not working.
minor loss.
I cut my runner out at 10 pips once it broke the 15
I had him.
high. Well, there's gonna be second chances once this.
Yeah, 100%. But the thing is, 9.8 pips. Realize that.
Yeah, okay.
9.8 pips.
Yeah, it takes a hit.
It's even. Wait, let me calculate that again. I think it's even worse. I think it's 9.9.
Yeah, it's just a spread. Say,
It hit 60. Yeah, just 9.8, 9.9. I can't. This is what GJ has been doing to me the past 3 weeks.
Happens, man.
I'm in a gold paper trade as well.
But the only
I'm
thing. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I'm looking for enter buys on gold. I'm
Yeah.
looking at lower time frames, 5-minute time frames and 50-minute. If close on the way I'm looking, I enter and set my TP at 9.9.
Well, that answers that question. Double trade doesn't work for pending orders. That sucks.
Yeah, Marcus, if this 5
Rough.
minute closes bullish on gold, it can
Yeah.
continue up cleanly.
Yeah, I'm looking this.
Man, today we're like.
That's a joke. Oh my god.
What's the joke?
GJ.
I think on gold have a little problems with the 9.6 area, but if have volume, we can reach 99 and then continues to the very high of the structure.
I still can't believe I hit 9.8 pips. I can't believe it. Just can't. It is what it is. But what you could do now for a second possible entry, if this 30-minute closes bearish, you retest this zone, get in on the break of 859, continue further down.
That's what I'm going to try and take. I think so.
Oh, people do it with GJ, man. I can't. And it's actually my own fault because I always close at those times. I always close. I never wait for those exact 10 pips. It's my own fucking fault. But yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, partial take profit kind of like screws you up sometimes. Cause
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but the market kind of knows. I'm not gonna say they know. I'm just saying. It's like every time it gets close to your take profit, it starts to slow down.
Yeah.
And retrace.
But the thing is, I have a -2 pip loss. I don't really mind. But the thing is, I executed on a trade that I've seen over and over and over again, you know, and I know it works because
Cowboy trade though.
Huh?
That's definitely your cowboy trade.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you look, this retest, that's what I've seen happen over and over again. That's why I executed on it.
There's no bearish close though.
Yeah, 100%. But it's an impulsive 30-minute candle bearish retracement, retesting this level, and I've seen that happen over and over again. So let's try and execute on it.
Huh. Yeah, but then if you tried that on Friday, you'd have lost big.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think it's not a high. It's like a 50-50.
That's gambling, my brother.
Yeah, but
Don't.
you know, you have to
Well,
try it once. You know, you have to
no,
try it once.
the thing about this situation today is that we know that there's a super high probability
Yeah,
to
for price
flip the daily
bearish.
bearish,
Yeah,
and so I think that's why this entry makes sense today. But if you take this entry any other day, then yeah,
that's dangerous.
yeah.
All right.
Just like I would never have taken a trade inside this range expecting it to break unless, today the situation. And this situation only happens on Mondays because, market only opens once.
I was like, when that 30 minutes starts flipping bearish, I was like, yeah, it's gonna go now. I know it's
Yeah.
happy, and I was like, nah. It's 9.8 pips gone.
Gone for now. Be back later.
Are you gonna go off?
Oh no, you said 9 point whatever
Oh
pips.
yeah.
Gone for now.
Yep.
Be back later.
Yeah, I used half my risk anyways because I knew this trade was less probable and it was dangerous and never executed on it before, so I used half my risk.
There you go. Risk management. You're good.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's still coming down.
Yeah, just gotta give it time. I mean, as long as it
Yeah.
starts flipping bearish from here. But I think what Master P said was true. It's better if we get a 30-minute close and then it breaks the low
Yeah.
of the 30. So I've got sell stops in. Just gonna let the trade play out. Whatever happens, happens.
You got sell stop set 850.
Around there, yeah, 856.
Yeah, but that's exactly at the wick, right?
No, it's actually a pip less. Like I said, I always do a pip
Mm,
less.
yeah. Yeah, if that target hit, I would have my, my 10 pips,
Yeah, thank God I had to set a pip less because that thing literally tapped the bottom and shot right back up.
Oh, really? Oh, you already
Yeah.
had it in? Oh, damn.
Yeah. Like I said, I planned my trade ahead of time, and
Yeah.
I had the low on mine is 866, so I put it at 56. It tapped 58,
Yeah.
so like 2 micro pips away, and I've been screwed. So all probabilities, man. If it
Oh,
happened that I got
probably.
tapped in and lost, I'd have been like, whatever.
Yeah.
There's really no way to manage that one either because we just went straight to stop loss.
Yep. The only thing I'm bothered about in this trade, it's my own fault that I didn't take my 10 pips because 9.8 pips is pretty much 10 pips. The only thing I'm bothered about is that break-even stop loss of MetaTrader. Why, if it touches, why does it not close?
I think it needs to be a pip over or something, like a couple points over.
Yeah, but I had it just below my entry.
Yeah, I think sales are done for.
Oh, wow.
Way done for.
Bye, GJ.
Yeah, I was gonna
Bye-bye.
say something, but now it's out of the window. I was gonna say because this candle was closing
Damn.
rather strong, that sells below the low wouldn't necessarily be valid because it's closing so strong that there's no signs of this candle rejecting the range. And I took a loss on a very similar situation a few weeks ago where candle closed below, but it was still kind of strong and it broke the low and then rejected. So I would have wanted to see a 15-minute close below the support it created at like 860, but now that's all out the window.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, I think that was just a tap below to continue up.
Yeah, maybe just a retracement.
Just after I said it's still
Look
coming
at
down.
that. It's crazy.
Mm,
I was like, when I got in, I was like, yeah, when that 30-minute candle, this 30-minute candle, retested this area and started flipping, I was like, it's gonna fill that wick, That was my target. Yeah, my first target was like 857, so right here. But I was like, when this started flipping and retested this area very nicely, because if you look on the 15-minute, stop there, 5 minutes started, turning bearish. and then you saw all the candles go in bearish, 30 minutes flipping, you know, and I was like, yeah, it's gonna retest that area, and all of a sudden it's just shot back up.
Yeah, I'd be looking more for like buys for sure.
Well, sells aren't completely out the window.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet.
Just this happened, this move just all the way up happened because of London Open, because we have a London Open right now, just strong retracement. Now, what I want to see is another close below 970 of this 30-minute candle. You have a normal stop loss and just sell off. First target at these levels. It's gonna be really clean. But the only thing that's gonna be an issue if that the probability is really annoying because of this 1 hour candle rejecting really hard. But if the 30-minute candle starts closing below and, you know, starts forming structure again, you can expect that 30-minute candle to start filling that 1 hour wick and this next 1 hour candle. But at the end of the day, we just rejected and closed above this support level again. So that's the thing.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know you guys see what you're seeing, but I'm thinking buys for sure. Because if it was sells, it would have never closed. Like maybe a wick up, yeah, but to push up here and close above that resistance, shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the daily hasn't made a lower wick. I don't think. No.
Yeah, but you see loads of dailies not having lower wicks. Yeah, small lower wick, really small lower wick, really small lower wick, really small lower wick, extremely small lower wick. So just pushing, price just pushing.
There was this. Oh, go ahead.
I don't know who that was. Go ahead. Someone that was talking.
It was Nick wanted to say something.
Yo, Nick.
No, go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah, there was this week in July or something where we opened with no bottom wick on the daily, and the whole week I was like, oh man, we gotta form a bottom wick on this weekly candle, and eventually we did, but that was pretty funny. Goes back to what Luke was saying about the dailies.
Yeah, those are sometimes it matters 100%, but if you look at this at the weekly candles as well, this pretty much doesn't have a wick. This one doesn't as well, you know. And loads don't have, or really small ones. Here you can find them, and it's, you know, the probability is lower of not making the probability is lower of not making of making. Wait 1 sec. Let me just say that again. Probability is really high of making a wick 100%, but there is times where it just doesn't do that. So yeah, the expectation probably like 80-90% of doing it. So and you're expecting that to happen, but it's not always gonna happen.
It has got it's actually got a 3 pip wick because the low was 682 and the open was 715.
The way I see it, I mean, like I said, I hate trading when prices already move so much, but we're definitely in the uptrend, and
Yeah,
it
that's true.
closed below support with like a strong bearish close, and now we basically took out that push. So
Yeah, but that could be of London Open. Just that volume of London Open, because we just opened it just before, like 2 minutes before it just pushed up.
yeah, we'll see.
You know?
If it breaks this high, I'm getting for a buy, but
The last 2 minutes, price just started flying at this. So that's maybe that 1 hour retracement that just wants to go back.
yeah, like I said, whatever's clever.
Yep.
For me now, it's just back to if it breaks above, it buys. If it breaks below, it sells.
Yeah, agreed.
Yo, oh my god, my Tradingview, like I don't know what it is, but it keeps flashing these
Yeah, I had that
colorful
too.
shapes.
I had that
You
too.
guys have that too?
I had it.
No,
It's not.
what?
It doesn't do it anymore. But I don't know what it was. I got no idea. It's really weird.
Yeah, it's doing it like every other minute.
What's it doing?
Yeah, it's just making really crazy flashing
Yeah, like when I move my mouse over objects, it just shows all these like triangular shapes with the
Yeah,
crazy colors.
yeah. It's not any it's no indicator or anything. It's just
No, it's some sort of
crazy.
glitch. We got a comment in the YouTube section. Same trade like last week, but different direction.
Um,
Actually, yeah, last week
yeah,
we had the same pattern, right?
yeah, pretty much.
Oh no. Wow.
Yeah, 9.8 pips. Been mugged off by hit by GJ. Oh well, you know,
Typically.
you learn again, and you learn again, and I'm just happy that I executed on something that I've seen over and over again, even though it's a lower probability setup. I'm happy that I executed on it. That's the thing.
Yeah, only thing now is next time it's just gonna fly through. You're gonna close a little bit early, like 9 pips. It's gonna keep flying to like
Yeah,
20.
yeah, yeah. But
Just how
the
it
thing
always goes.
is, I always close at like if I see 9.5 pips, I'm like already hitting that button to close.
Right. Which is
And
the right way to do it. You can't go wrong taking profits.
yeah, and now I'm just waiting. Now I just waited for that partial take profit level of magic keys, and I already had that feeling. But I for some reason I tried just hit that level, which just didn't make sense. I just should have just closed it and did it. You learn. It's a learning thing again.
You know, not telling you what to do, but me personally, I always put a auto break even and a partial take profit. So
Yeah,
7 pips in, I'm
yeah.
already like break even.
I
If it goes
already
back,
hit. I
that's where
already had hit 8 pips, and it came all the way back to like +1 pip, and I was like, yeah, if it's gonna hit my stop loss, I'm gonna if it's gonna hit my break even level, I'm gonna get out. But I was holding it, holding it, and then it came back all the way down again, and then it hit 9.8 pips, and I was like, yeah, this is
I,
gonna do it, just another retest and then some grab of liquidity, and it's gonna go down.
GJ, GJ is pushing a lot, man.
Yeah, man,
yeah,
crazy.
I'm in
Yeah, you got in the break at the high, didn't you?
5 stops. But we'll see what happens.
Yep.
If this thing would set, what the hell?
Now 4 hour on GBP is bullish, 1 hour is now bullish.
Damn, you already. Oh no. Yeah, go ahead, Marcos. 4 hour on.
No, 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 no. I'm looking. I thought GJ should drop this week because it's still there are a lot of weeks bullish on GBP, but I don't know. I don't wanna enter on buys because it's a 4 hour resistance.
Yeah.
I know.
Gotta close above 0.200 for buys.
For me, yeah. The thing is, I just took sales, so taking buys again is pretty
Yeah, true.
not that good.
Yeah, what I've noticed sometimes I don't take fake outs, but to me we're in an uptrend. It
Yeah.
shot down. It shouldn't have. I know you said like London volume, but either way, it shouldn't have. For market structure, it shouldn't be breaking highs. It should be breaking lows. Like even if we push back up here, it shouldn't have broke that 30-minute high. Should have just kept going down.
You also have to consider that is the last week of the month, and month candlestick have to adjust. So we have to be careful to take risky trades this week.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Definitely agree with that. But
If you look at a monthly time frame, we are at resistance. So I think monthly have to adjust and retrace a little bit to have a
To be
week.
honest with you, only thing to look at is the 15 and 30 minute. I haven't changed time frames in a very long time.
I combine all the time frames from weekly to 5 minute, but I also look at monthly to see the general move.
No, I agree. I think that's really the best thing to do. But for me, it would always confuse me. Like I would switch. Let's say I took an entry on the 15, I would switch to the hour, 30 minute, weekly, 4 hour.
Yeah,
Like I gotta stop. So then I figured out for me personally, like 15 and 30 minute, I can take a trade. It's win or lose, but it's good probabilities for me without being too confusing.
You drop that 10 lot.
No, like I said, it's doing 1%. So
Yeah.
stop loss is bigger. It did a 7.43.
Okay. I'm gonna put some music on. Stream. Yo, guys in the Zoom as well. For 20 people in the Zoom, we only have 10 likes on the stream. Come on, man.
Yeah, what's this? Come on.
Hopefully this works. I don't know if the music works. Yeah, it does. Let me hear real quick how loud it is on the stream because I don't want it to be too loud.
I enter a small position on gold for buys.
Yeah, I was thinking of taking buys once this 30-minute closed above the most recent high. But then I'm like, nah, it's Monday. I should. It's not a picturesque trade as well, because on the left there's messy.
I have a small risk, so if it goes bad, doesn't matter.
So Marcos, how much did you actually risk per trade on average to get like your monthly returns that you got this month?
Yeah, Raku uses fixed lots, so I feel the way. Yeah, go ahead.
Normally on GBP I risk 1% or 1.5% per trade.
Okay.
And on gold depends on how I'm looking the trade. I risk 0.5 or 1% per trade.
Okay, I see.
But normally I risk a little bit on GBP because I know more how it moves and the structure on GBP. But normally on GBP I risk 1.5% per trade.
Ah, okay, I see. That's pretty good.
Yeah, go more than. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, today it's Monday. I risk 1% in GBP because it's Monday, but normally on the middle and at the end of the week, I risk 1.5%.
It's funny now. Mr. Yen is doing 1%, but when I started the year, I switched from fixed slots to percentage, and now I'm back to fixed slots.
Yeah,
just
I
didn't
use
like.
Yeah, it's whatever's clever. Like I said, I just by the end of this year, I'm trying to go full time.
Mhm.
So I kind of want to start making sure that I'm managing my risk and I don't take a big loss or deviate. Because, like I said, it's cool to just throw a 10 lot from the Insta trade, but you know,
Mhm.
I'd rather have a system that I follow strictly, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I didn't like. I mean, well, I didn't like percentages myself, but I found this because all my winners and losers, they'd all be different because of the lots are sometimes different if you have like a 6 pip stop. But one thing I found interesting that you can do with a percentage risk is, for example, is you can do a hybrid of percentage and fixed lots. So like if your stop loss is smaller than 10 pips, then you can, just drill your stop loss to less than 10 pips and it'll calculate a bigger lot size. But if your stop loss is bigger than 10 pips, like maybe 12, 13, then you can just keep it at 10 and then you're in a way using a fixed lot size. So then at least all your winners are the same, if not bigger.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's like a gulag idea or what.
But no, I mean, at the end of the day, I think at one point everyone's idea was kind of back tested until it worked, and then
Yeah.
you can make it your own. But it doesn't sound
Exactly.
bad.
Well,
Like I said, me personally, I'm just trying to make sure I have a strict plan I can follow at the end of the
Yeah.
day. True. So putting that 10 lot on like a 20 pip stop loss. Not saying I would, but end of the day, like if it looks good, you're like, oh crap, you know, check the size of the stop loss or like how much you're gonna lose, like all that stuff. I wasn't doing that before. So
I see.
yeah, man. I just need like 0.200 to hit, and I'm happy.
Yeah, that's the thing though with a buy stop. You're in with a buy stop, but the problem is though that price is not moving straight away. That would set me off in buy stop sell stop idea. Personally, because you expect price to just start pushing, even though it's not in a loss right now, it's okay. But personally, if I take buy stop sell stops, personally I want price to just start, pushing hard.
No, that's true. I was expecting a big push, but at the same time, it's not breaking any lows. Like if it was to break this 15-minute low,
Yeah.
I would, which I think is a 30-minute low also, but
Yeah, that's true.
I would close everything in full and just accept my loss and probably be done for the night since I got to win from the sell, or wait for a close above 200, which is really the smart thing to do. But
Yeah.
that fake out on a 30-minute looked pretty good. This is the unfortunate part of trading when price doesn't just fly straight to your good profit.
The unfortunate part as well is, at 9.8 pips.
No, 1,000%. Yeah, that would. Oh my god, punch in the air right now.
Yeah, man. Bro. And the worst part as well is then price comes back, hits your break even level, stop loss, and flies past. Doesn't care.
Yep, that's trading for you.
Yep. It is what it is. If anyone has some charts or anything, just send them in. We'll take a look at them. You know what would be pretty awesome? This 30 minute just closes like this. And then the next one closes below 970. That would be pretty cool.
Yeah, normally in the middle of the week I should take this trade, but on Monday is so risky for me.
Yeah, I'm willing to take it.
You mean taking the buy would be risky for you, or
No, sells. If this current candle, 50-minute candle, close bearish with this week on the top and the previous half a week, that for me means a rejection from the top level. I should enter a sell when it breaks the low.
I got you.
But it's Monday. We have a winning trade in the sells, so
You already had 2 winning trades, right?
I have a winning trade on GBP and one win and one loss on gold.
Yeah.
Have small wins, very small wins on gold.
Also put our Instagrams over here.
But I think today's trade on GJ was so difficult because I think the confirmation was a little weak because there is a push and breaks the levels without confirmation for me. I take the trade, but normally I think it was a very risky trade today on GBP.
Yeah, that's how to do it as well. I don't know if they can see that on the stream.
On the stream, yeah.
Yeah? I was not even paying attention, I was just on my phone. No, they can't see it on the stream, right?
Oh, no, they can't. Oh, no.
I need to do it, yeah. It's because it's Zoom. This is on the Zoom.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, and on YouTube, you're also, like, streaming your browser.
I need to do that on OBS.
Oh, yeah, true.
Here. Wait, let me try. Why is it that? Hmm. Hmm. Whoa, this is not going right.
Pretty big.
I don't know how to get in another color as well, so it's gonna be. I don't know what it looks like. Let me see.
Well, now it's off screen.
Yeah, it's off screen for a second. There you go. I don't know how to make it a different color. That was pretty big right there.
See 30-minute closing above most recent resistance.
Yeah.
So you know what I'm really looking for is for this 1 hour to close below 0.965. That would just be a beautiful
I
thing.
was looking at that too. Yes.
Because then we have a wick to fill, and then we have a really big range of
Yeah.
green traffic.
Yeah. By the way, I'm now in OBS. I'm doing I'm streaming just Google Chrome, but I think if I start streaming the
Your desktop.
yeah, not just desktop. If I start streaming the Zoom,
Mm-hmm.
we can see people writing as well. We're allowed to write, not stupid shit, but just making, you know,
Yeah,
things as well.
yeah,
Because you can't see that now. So
yeah, that
that's
would
the
be
thing.
really handy.
Yeah, I need to figure that out. But then it's gonna be with music again, because every time I open up the OBS, I need to reset it because it's all bugged out.
Wait, oh, so it doesn't save your settings?
No, for some reason it doesn't. So I need to really. I need to every time I open up OBS and I've closed my browsers, I need to reconnect my browsers again. So that's why it takes a little bit of time. Normally I would send in if this wasn't happening, I would just send in like at 30 at the exact time when we start. But every time I open up, I need to or it doesn't work or I need to put it in everything again.
Well, but now that you have two monitors, why don't you, what's it called? Screen share your one of the screens and then put your private stuff on the other screen.
Yeah, I have that now. The one screen is one Google Chrome thing that's on the other screen, and I'll do the rest on the other screen.
Yeah, but instead of selecting the Google Chrome tab to screen share, select your whole desktop, and automatically then that you don't have to set that up every time, and you can instantly see people drawing as well.
Oh, okay. I'll take a look into that. Broke that low. Let's see what Brace is gonna do.
position on gold to see what happens. If can
Another buy or sell?
What the fuck is going on? Yeah, I was about to say.
My buys were just stopped out. It's quite frustrating.
Yeah, Nick.
Same here. Once the 30-minute low got broken, I got stopped out.
Mm.
Yes. But I do think it will actually hit my TP.
No, I'd give buys a second chance, but just sucks that it tapped that low out.
But do any of you guys use CTrader?
Yes, I do.
And what's your experience on CTrader? Is it better than MetaTrader?
Thing is, I never really used MetaTrader, just like maybe the first 10% of the time, because I thought CTrader just looks better. You have better risk management tools in there. You can set for partial profits. Never had any problems, just perfect IC markets.
Yeah.
10 of 10 would recommend.
Yeah, Geoff in the chat says CTrader is better than MetaTrader. Cool.
No, I see a big gap in the market with execution platforms, because there's only these two main platforms,
Yeah.
CTrader and MetaTrader. And I was reading an article.
MetaTrader is old.
Yeah, that too. But I was reading this article this morning how basically the business model of MetaTrader doesn't make sense for the brokerages these days. But, yeah, so there's a huge gap in the market, and I think that's going to be like the next big
Big
thing.
change. Yeah.
Yeah, the next big change.
Well, I'm not a programmer or anything, so don't call me. Yeah, call me. Sell it. I can sell it for you. But
Actually,
yeah.
a friend of mine is a very good programmer. Maybe we could get him.
Yeah, maybe we could get in a small group of people that know stuff. You know, I'm good at marketing and selling. Some people are good at different things. You know, you can form a group that's strong. You know, sky is the limit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell Elon about it.
Yeah. Space. Yeah, the thing though is, does magic keys work on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really, just use it for 1 week and you'll never go back.
Oh, so it's like FX book directly into CTrader as well.
Oh, actually, I didn't know that myself.
This guy Geoff sent that in. Yeah, man, that's some good profit right there.
Yeah. They're using big lots.
Yeah.
But yeah, I totally like the history tab where you can just go over your trades. It shows your trades inside the charts if you want, so you can easily re-watch them.
Okay.
Just.
Yo, that's some high win rate right there.
Yeah.
95%. What do you mean?
That's Marco's account right there.
Yeah, that's Marco's account. you see these numbers.
Yeah, it's also Marco's.
20. Look at him flexing. Here's the account. Sorry to show your account balance, Marco's.
I have the Lambo in the door.
Oh, really?
Okay, but what about GJ today?
Not much.
This, I just don't see anything.
Well, I do see anything. I do see something, but that just went out the window. But I just want this 1 hour to retrace, come back down, close below, 970, get sells, and, get my 10 pips, not 9.8. I still can't, man. It's just really fucked up.
The biggest problem on MetaTrader is the graphic design. If I can improve this, for me, works perfect. I don't need anymore.
I think I might call it a day.
Yeah, I'm calling the day in 20 minutes if price just closes inside the range. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and if it just doesn't do anything, I call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Go ahead.
I'm looking for my trade on gold, and if it goes bad, I end the day.
Yeah, it seems everything's slowed down.
Oh, someone's mic is...
You guys hear music?
Wait. Oh yeah, this music is back on again. But I need to go put my mouse over the YouTube thing.
But GJ just made another lower high on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Someone's eating their microphone or
Yeah,
something.
I heard that too. I don't know who it is. Wait, let me...
Maybe Marcos?
I don't know.
No.
I have a noise cancel.
Me
No,
too.
it's not Marcos.
Oh, perfect. I hope this
good now.
gold trade breaks the high and continues.
I hope this closes below. And now, good situation because this 15 is going to close right here. It's going to make a small wick, go further down. We have a place to manage risk on. That's what I'm looking for. And this 15 looks pretty okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
closing 50% right now on gold. The rest.
You're in gold.
Yeah.
That's the 4th trade. Damn. Wait, did you enter buys or sells?
Buys. I am buys from
191.60.
20.
20. Damn.
92,
Oh, no.
20. So
Okay. Oh, you're at 10 pips already, at least.
I'm expecting to retest the high.
This, yeah,
of the
194,
previous.
195.
Yeah, and if half volume, we can break and continues to my target.
Yeah, British, can you send in the link and not the screenshot, because I can't share the screenshot on the YouTube as well, and people on the Zoom they don't see it as well. If you could just send the link of the Tradingview, that'd be better. $15 just closed bearish.
Yeah.
The only issue is that it retraced a bit far.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it's creating resistance to retest the low, but there's this issue at point, like, 970, and that is an issue because you see the 1 hour rejected it, even though on the lower time frame it's clean traffic now, but on the 1 hour we're still respecting it. So
yeah. Yeah, guys on the stream, we got 21 people in, 13 likes on the stream. How can that, that's not right. Everyone on the Zoom, go to the YouTube and like it.
I think Monty starts the live stream again.
yeah.
Yeah, but that doesn't really matter because he trades in a different style anyways, so.
And he doesn't show entries and things like that. He's you send him a chart, he's like, oh, be careful, you need to.
Yeah. He used to really, really enjoy my charts when I sent them in. He was like, oh my god.
Yeah, true.
My charts used to get like enormous shoutouts and stuff.
Yeah, true. I remember.
I got some videos of it as well that I screen recorded. Just for to know what he said, because sometimes it's important to hear someone else's opinion as well. Well, it's important. So.
Gold breaks the previous 50 minutes.
It's not looking good. Not looking good.
Yeah, I'd still give it until 10:30 for it to close below, but then after that I'm calling it a thing.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not looking good. Not looking good. Gonna create my chart real quick.
I think on gold right now, if reach 95, I close 30% of the rest of my position. A small runner to the high of the structure.
Hey, Master P, what's your first name?
Pier
Me?
Paolo.
Pier Paolo.
It's one name?
Yeah, one name.
Pier Paolo. Okay. Anyway, so I just saw your story. Do you live in a restaurant?
No, no, not in a restaurant. I'm at the office.
Ah, okay. Which
Yeah.
office is it? Like, from your job?
Yeah, we have a little, what's it called? Like one unit
Uh-huh.
near my house, and I just use that.
Nice.
One
That's
unit.
great.
You speak Italian, Pier Paolo?
Yeah, I speak Italian, so we can almost understand each other.
Yeah.
Buonasera.
We start turning into an Italian stream right now.
Yeah, we're gonna call what's his name? I think Luca.
Yeah, Italian pips, right?
Yeah, Italian pips. We have Luca doing Italian streams and then Luke doing the English.
Yeah. Can't be bothered with that
I think
9.8
Italian,
pips.
Portuguese, Spanish.
I don't know if I should journal my trade based off the 30-minute or 4-hour.
I'm looking at that 50-minute or 30-minute. Because on the 30-minute, it looks like trash. Because later on it pushed up, and so this candle doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
But on the 15, you see that retest. That's the only thing.
Have you guys paid for the Tradingview subscription? Things like £15 a month.
No, I did a free one once, but it doesn't make any sense for me.
Yeah, I've just paid for it, and the one good thing about it is that you can split your screen into like 2 different time frames.
Yeah, that's true, but yeah.
Like, because you see different setups on different time frames, and I'm always really bad at flicking through the time frames. Like, I'll always forget, like, oh, I need to check the 1 hour or something.
Okay, then that makes sense.
I'll always leave the 15-minute open and then just change my bottom screen. And it's good for journaling as well, because you can point things out on different time frames. Quite like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the highest subscription because when I used to swing trade, I needed like fucking 6 charts open at the same time. So, but honestly, now I don't think it's really worth it. Like, I don't use basically any of the features that come with the premium one. Other than the no ad. Having no ads, that's pretty nice, but other than that...
I don't really see those ads. Never see them.
Oh no, you don't?
No, never see them.
Oh.
You see them, don't see them on here anyways. But normally they would be like right here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So...
I never use Tradingview.
What do you use? Marcos.
I think he just uses MetaTrader.
Yeah, probably.
Sounds like Ted.
I close the rest of my position on gold right now.
You know what? I could have used my full position for the swing trade because I see now if I used the 1 hour resistance for stop loss, it would have been like 12, 13 pips.
Yeah.
Then it went 30 pips deep. It's pretty good.
I can't believe the fact that I hit 9.8 pips.
Yeah. It's like took candy from a baby.
Yeah. Is what it is.
hour closed bullish. Yeah, I'll give it 30 more minutes to close below. If it doesn't, then it is what it.
You are thinking to take in sells again, or are you done for the day?
I'm thinking to take sells again if 30-minute closes below 0.970
Mm-hmm.
for then the last
Fill the wick.
yeah, to fill that 1 hour wick, and for the last 1 hour of this 4 hour candle to have a push and then continue with the New York volume. Because yeah, if we break below there, there's a super high probability to create a bottom wick on the daily. Like there's nothing stopping it from going down there.
Stoical. And I think if you take this trade, your stop isn't so big. Only, I think, 12 pips. On GJ, if breaks the previous high, I think I'm done for the day.
Holy shit! I can't even do my journaling from this glitch on TradingView. It just I write text one place and it shows up another place.
Yeah.
Try maybe like closing it and open it back up.
Yeah, I tried yeah, I'm gonna just close it and reopen it. Let's see.
Yeah, usually with computers, turn it off,
Yeah.
turn it on, type of thing.
Yeah, seems to work for now.
EAs try to breaking the high of the 4-hour.
Yeah, it's getting so close. I just want 200 to tap, and then oh, come on, 200.
There you go.
No, I didn't tap.
It's
There
up.
we go.
Oh, beautiful.
Perfect.
You enter buys.
Yeah, I gave the buys a second chance.
When did you re-enter?
When it broke the bearish 15-minute.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
Yeah, because it's still the structure for the fake out was still there, and instead of breaking the low of the bearish 15, we broke the high of it. So to me, that was like just GJ being GJ.
Yep.
If you look at daily, is amazing for buys right now.
Yeah, I've just seen that too many times. Like I've put too much faith into the sell. Obviously, we broke below support, but for
Does
it to
not
be
work.
valid, it needs to stay below where it broke out of, or quickly like push back up, then continue right back to being a sell.
Oh, oh, my bad.
No problem. Yeah, guys, I think for the buyers, it's been a good day. Some people took those buys. But you took them off this 15-minute candle, right?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, originally I took it when the bullish 15 got broken, and then my
Okay.
second try was when it tapped that support and then broke the high. So when that bearish one tapped the support but didn't close below,
Yeah.
and started breaking the high, that was confirmation for it to continue. To me,
Yeah, if you look closer now, you can see on the higher time frame, and really good on the on the 4-hour, 1-hour. See a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low.
yeah, like I said, I figured like for that wick to get filled on that 1 hour, the high can't be broken, and
Yeah.
like I said, it basically pushed back up.
Yeah.
Broke the high.
Yeah, that's true.
This volume thing,
Yeah.
breakout of the actually 50-minute candle can be a nice trade.
Oh yeah, of course.
Very,
I think
very risky, but can be a easy 10 pips.
to me, if it breaks and closes above 260, I won't take it. I've hit my 3 trades for the day.
Yeah.
Breaks and close below above 260, it should keep going. But I'm gonna just let it do whatever it does.
Yeah, it looks pretty good for buys now, but I wanted to see sells.
Yeah, the thing is, I already took sells, so I'm not gonna change my bias again.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes you can, but thing is, it's Monday anyway, so why should I go that hard on a Monday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would say stay fluid, but also follow your trading plan. So if that's part of your trading plan, then
yeah,
of course.
I don't mind to switch bias, but the thing is, it's Monday. That's the only thing. Like if it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's no problem. But Mondays and Fridays, you're stuck to one bias if that's what you think it's gonna do. what you think is gonna happen, you know, then stick to that. Don't switch buy sells, buy sells, buy sells, you know.
I get you. Yeah, I really was hoping for sells to play out, but
Yeah,
like I said, the minute it started showing signs of reversal,
yeah.
I kind of wanted to catch that big
Yeah,
push.
my issue, well, I didn't have a really bad entry. I actually got a really good entry, but I could have entered just a little higher if I didn't hesitate. And then I would have gotten my full 10 pips. But I already had 9.8 pips. That's 10 pips at the end of the day. So the trade worked out, but only just my fault that I didn't, you know, that I didn't do anything about it.
For me, the only problem for not take a buy right now is we are at 4-hour resistance, but I don't know if price now have a lot of volume.
Yeah.
If breaks the previous, I think if breaks 260, I think we can go to the upside.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll wait this 13 minutes to see what that 30-minute does just for fun. Then I'm ending the stream.
You have to be fluid in the market.
Yeah.
And change your idea constantly.
Yeah, that's true. But at the end of the day, it's, as I just said, it's Monday, so that's why
Yeah.
I think it's the other way around. If you're being fluid, that would mean you're changing your bias. I think
what?
fluid is kind of like no, like he was saying, be fluid. To me, that if you're being fluid, you're changing your bias, like adapting to the market.
Yeah, that's true, 100%. But the thing is, if you go buy sells all the time, doesn't make sense. You know, 100%. I looked for buys and I looked for sells. That's being fluid as well, 100%. But at the end of the day, if you just took a sell and gonna go ahead straight take a buy again, doesn't make really that much sense.
I agree to a certain extent. Like in this situation where it showed signs for sells, but then invalidated it, then of course you want to not miss a move. You know, well, like I said, I'm like I try to take a trade every day, so maybe I'm being too
A bit aggressive on the you know, on how many trades you want to take. You just want to take a trade every day. You don't want to miss out on the move. I don't care if I take a sell and then price suddenly starts going against me and all the things happen. It goes to, you know, 1,000 pips in profit because I was looking for those sells.
Oh my God, goal! I know it. I know it. On goal.
Happened.
I know.
Oh, nice.
Damn.
One thing I will say though, journaling and all these is pretty annoying.
Yeah, I think I'm going to try and, well, I am going to journal the fact that I could have re-entered, you know, on the bullish 15-minute close.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know how you have it marked up, but I still have that same support on the 15-minute. from the 960 region. So like I said, like even though it closed bearish, like you gotta look at it when it tapped that area, it created a wick and bounced off. So
yeah, and
we're
then
gonna
it
keep
closed
going
back
down.
on like on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. It closed above like the
Exactly, and then the 1 hour also closed
Yeah.
bullish. Just all good signs.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I think it's gonna keep going.
You're right. Oh, it's so annoying that it came back and tapped that 970 area. Oh well.
That's something to look for next time.
Yeah.
It's really, especially on Friday, is what kind of got me looking at that more because I was like so looking for sells that I didn't pay attention to how I could have taken buys on Friday. Well, either I was at work, but anyways, when I came back to look at the market again, I'm like, all right, so I wanted to see sells on Friday, but it created support. And same thing, almost like on the 15-minute, it went bullish and bearish. It didn't break the bearish 15-minute low, but broke the high.
Yeah, I managed to catch the buys on Friday, but
Lucky
I
you.
don't know. I think that was a bit of luck. Like, I don't know. It weren't luck, but the move happened within like 10 seconds and retraced, and
Yeah,
it was just like such a quick move. And my TP was on the exact point, like the exact
nice.
point where it retraced. I don't know how I got it. Like, it was just coincidence that it hit TP exactly.
That's good, man. I missed it. I took a loss on the sell.
Yeah.
Went to sleep, had to go to work, and then yeah, looked at it over the weekend. I'm like, all right, so I could take a buy here. This is what made the sells invalidated, things like that.
Yeah, I've just recently started journaling all the trades that I'm sort of missing and not taking, and definitely helping.
The thing is, though, at the end of the day, you're learning. That's all that process, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all just certain phases where you go through, where you're learning, learning, and learning.
I really wanted that to keep going to 300. Just barely missed my runner's TP.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait these 5 minutes and then just head off, probably.
I posted a pretty nice breakdown of my intra-session swing trade.
But did you secure anything?
Oh yeah, I secured what was it, 50% at 15 pips, and then 25% at 20 pips, and then I brought my stop loss to 10 pips in profit.
Oh yeah, I see.
Actually, where you cut your position, I cut my runner.
Yeah.
I was like 10 pips in profit.
You're the savage entry.
Oh, sorry. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow,
Yeah,
man.
see
Thank
you
you for tuning in,
tomorrow.
Tim.
Take
Bye.
care.
Take care, man.
Take it easy, man.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Yes. So, but this pattern.
Wait, that was
like,
Tim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, this pattern, like I've been observing it for so long, and yeah, since like August last year, basically. Yeah, this was the first time executing on it because it also hasn't happened for the past few weeks, and it only happens on Mondays at market open.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the same thing with my trade. I've seen this happen over and over and over again since the beginning I started trading. Seen this happen. Price just pulls down with a big ass candle, retested the level, you know, on the 15 and some other time frames, and it just flies back down. The thing is, when you get those entries, there's a high probability of price going down anyways because of the candle itself.
True.
So getting those 10 pips wasn't even hard. But this is not a trade you should execute on if you haven't seen this over and over again, have no experience with it, because at the end of the day, like Nick said as well, it's pretty dangerous. It doesn't have that high percentage of working out. But the thing is, I've seen it happen over and over and over again, so I executed on it.
Yeah, true. And it's similar to what happened Friday as well. Was it Friday or Thursday? I think no, Thursday. Yeah. Or no. Yeah, Thursday when we had the 30-minute closing above with a bearish 15-minute kind of wicking down to that level.
Yeah.
Similar situation.
Like I said, man, I wasn't, necessarily disagreeing with you. I think it made sense. It's just that, like, over time, I kind of cut trades like that completely out because they're 50-50.
Yeah, true.
You don't really want 50-50 trades in your trading plan.
Yeah. At the end of the day, it's based on a 30-minute retracement as well, even though I'm still looking at this level. But at the end of the day, it's based on a 30-minute candle closing bearish.
Yeah, like I said, tomorrow, if you took it, it'll work, But then the next day you take it, it won't work. So
yeah, that's true.
Gold is flying right now.
Oh man,
should hit 1800 flat, right?
Marcos is a glass bowl right there. Just looking. He said this. He said this before on the stream. He said we're going to these levels.
I think we can reach 99. I think at this level, price should stop at 99. And then it can retrace a little bit. I think today can reach 830 on gold. Because we have empty space on gold on the left.
Yeah. Who's gonna take them buys?
I've been trying not to overmanage my trades, but man, it's like hard sitting back and not touching it.
Yeah. Who's gonna take these GJ buys?
No, I'm just gonna let my runner go.
Yeah, do the work.
I took like some notes from what Raj was saying earlier. It's just like, let your runners run and being patient with your losses. So technically the runner's running, so
Get back on with the runners.
I'm on GJ buys. I want to push a little bit to the
What's your
upside.
entry?
The break of the previous 50 minute. I entered at
250.
250.
Yeah. Really nice.
It's a little risky, but I think can work.
5th trade already, Marcos. Come on.
Yeah. Five trades today.
How much percent did you take today?
I don't know. I have to check.
Man, for me, journaling 5 trades, it's a lot of work.
I got journal 3 and I got a headache already.
Yeah.
What does everyone use to journal the trades?
I use Trello.
I use Edgewonk.
I use a file.
There's varying levels of intricacy here.
Yeah, I got mine from Paul when I was watching him do the Asian stream. I never used to journal, but then he's like, "Oh yeah, journal using Trello," and I was like, "All right, let me check it out."
Yeah.
I use Notion. Kind of had to like set up my own sort of templates and stuff, but I don't know if they're right sort of software to use. I might move to like Trello or something. I don't know.
You know what?
Another can fill 1 hour week.
Yeah.
Another opportunity I see in the market is like an online trading journal where you can not like Trello or something like that, but like an actual journal where you can see statistics, you can about your trades. So like each trade you journal, you can rank it into a setup, and then you can can see the success rate of the setups and all the different statistics, and have that like in an online environment where you can access it from your phone, your computer, anywhere in the
Nice.
world.
Hey, quick question. The partial stop loss works in profit also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so long it's below the price.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream on this one. Thank you for tuning in. It was a lot of fun. And
Thank you, man.
yeah, no
Yeah.
problem, man. Learned a lot today. That's the most important thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Back at
see
it tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for tuning
See
in.
you tomorrow.
Yes,
Bye
take
bye.
care.
Take care.